Greetings everyone. Please, as you get this video, try to share it so that it will reach to the so-called presidency and whoever that is advising them. I want to tell those that are in the presidency that this is 2021 and it's not 1997. If he think that he can use his military might and the police force to conquer us, he better have a rethink, because we are well prepared this time around. You must tell him that this is not 1967 that they took Ojukwu unaware. This time around, they can't take us unaware because we are ready for them. Tell him if he value his people, if he value his cows, if he value anything in that zoo, he better conduct a referendum for Biafrans, or else every living thing in that zoo will be consumed. At end, Biafra will still emerge, because we cannot tolerate such nonsense from him again. They took Ojukwu unaware after they agreed for Aburi Accord. Instead of implementing it, they bring war to us. This time around, we are not asking for that restructure, and he cannot take us unaware. If he think he can crush IPOB all over the world, let him bring it in on. We are ready, and we will handle it in the language they all will understand it, and then they will know that we are Biafrans and we are IPOB and we don't fear anyone. Thank you.
You talked about talking to the people of Northeast in a language you understand. That is the whole, there's a crisis around that language. So it shows that because we were a former military man, you are talking about, using force to restore order. But it's understood in another way, especially given what happened last week when you spoke about the Southeast, IPOB, and all that. One, the controversy of Twitter. When is the government going to be ban Twitter? The suspension of Twitter. Because, when Nigerians are expecting when the government will do that. And two, how are we going to resolve the crisis in the South?
Well, Southeast, I was encouraged by what I heard. Nobody told me. Two statements from the South. One by elderly people. No, South. Yes, by elderly people. They said this time around there will be no access to sea. I'm sure you will understand what they mean. Again, the youth made the same statement. That encouraged me. So that EPOB is just like a dot in a circle. If they want to exist, they would have no access to anywhere. And the way they are spread all over the country, having businesses, having property, I think EPOB doesn't know what they are talking about. In any case, we say we'll talk to them in the language they understand. We'll organize the police and the military to pursue them. That's what we can do, and we will do it.
What about Twitter?
Twitter. That I will give to myself. What?
Well, still on the Southeast, Mr. President, how do you plan to include more people from the Southeast, and indeed the South in general, to include more people